Hello and welcome back to the new video of the Java tutorial series. So today we will be covering method overriding in Java. So what is method overriding? If subclass, that means a child class, has the same name, a same method name as declared in the parent class, and it is known as a method overriding in Java. In other words, if a subclass provides the specific implementation of the method that has been declared by one of its parent class, then it is known as method overriding. We'll see what it is by getting one real life example, and next we will see uses of the method overriding. So method overriding is used to provide the specific implementation of a method which is already provided by its superclass. For example, one method is there which is declared in the parent class, and some implementation part is also declared in the parent class, and you just need to you have to get that method inside of a subclass. So you simply write extends that parent class keyword to inherit the properties of the parent class, and you can use that same method name inside the subclass and get that implementation in our subclass. So method overriding is used for the runtime polymorphism. And next up we will see rules for Java method overriding. The method overriding must have the same name as in the parent class. So the name of the method should be same in both the classes. One is parent class and the subclass. The method must have the same parameters as in the parent class. So the number of the parameters that the method is accepting in the parent class should be same as that of the number of the parameters it was accepting in the subclass. And there must be a relationship which represents the inheritance in Java. Okay, let's understand the problem without method overriding, and we'll see how it fixes by using the method overriding. So let me open my IDE. Okay, it's opening. Wait. We'll see one example how method overriding fixes one problem. Okay, we'll see first problem. Okay, so let me create my new Java class. Method overriding. Okay, let me increase the font size. Okay, now suppose let me declare one more class so that I can differentiate between the parent class and subclass. I'll create one class vehicle. Okay, and inside that I will declare one method which doesn't return anything. That's why I write void as the return type, and inside that I will simply print vehicle is running. And now this public class method overriding is extending that vehicle class. So I will write extend vehicle, and now inside this I will write my main method, and inside that I will create the object of the this method overriding class. Method overriding obj1 new method overriding, and using this object obj1 I'm calling the run method. Now if I run this class, the expected output should be vehicle is running. Yes, vehicle is running. Now you see the problem is that I have to provide a specific implementation of the run method in the subclass. That is why we use the method overriding. Okay, so here also now you will see how it eliminates this problem. Okay, let me comment this out. Now one more class are required with the same name. Okay, and inside this I will write the same method first, void run, and inside this I will simply print vehicle is running. Okay, and now one more class, public class. I will just copy this code. Okay, and now this method overriding class is extending the vehicle class, and now inside this I will write the same method that I have written earlier, void run, and inside this I will simply print bike is running. Okay, now I will declare my main method, and inside this I will create the object of the method overriding class, that is obj1 is equals to new method overriding, and using this object obj1 I'll call obj1 dot run. Now you'll see how method overriding eliminates this problem. Okay, and here you can see bike is running. Okay, now this run method is also declared inside this vehicle class, sorry, and which is printing vehicle is running, and same method by the same name we have written inside this public class method overriding, which is extending the vehicle class. So vehicle class is the parent class, and this method overriding is a child class, and inside this run method I have written bike is running, and when we call this obj1 dot run, it will call the subclass method, which is this, and we'll see how to call if the same two methods are there by the same name, and you are trying to achieve the method overriding, and if you want to call the method which is declared inside the parent class, then we will use some one specific keyword is there, super keyword. We will see what it is in our upcoming videos. Super keyword is used to call the method which is declared inside the parent class. Now now we will see one real life example of method overriding so that you can understand it clearly. Okay, and let me just comment this out. Wait, okay. Let me clear my terminal. Okay, now we are here. Now you see, I will create one class name as bank, and as we know, we have every bank has their interest rate. Okay, so I will write one variable get rate of interest. Okay, get rate of interest. So this is my method name, and this method is simply returning 0. Okay, okay, I have declared one method get rate of interest, and it doesn't accepting any parameters, and the return type of the method is 0. Okay, it returns nothing, it returns 0, and I create one more class. Let's suppose any bank, SBI, which is extending the bank class, and now inside this I will write int get rate of the interest, and I will pass, and I will return 8. Similarly, I will create one more bank class. Okay, any bank you want. Let's suppose ICICI, which is extending the bank class. Inside this, I will write again I will inherit the override the same method which is declared inside the bank class. Get rate of interest. Now I will return inside this, return let's suppose 7. Okay, and now we will declare our public class. I will just copy the this line and I'll paste it over here, and yes. Okay, and now this class is extending. Okay, nothing. Okay, and now if I get inside my public class, I will declare my main method, and inside my main method I will create the object of the SBI class, SBI obj1 is equal to new SBI, and I will create object of the ICICI bank also, obj2 is equals to new ICICI. Okay, I have created all the object, and now I will simply print, I will print SBI interest is, and I will concatenate it with obj1 dot get rate of interest, and I will simply copy this because same code we require for ICICI bank also. I will paste it over here and change the bank name. Okay, and object name also, because object for ICICI bank is object obj2. And now if I run this, here you can see SBI interest is 8 and ICICI bank interest is 0. So or I sorry, I have written interest spelling wrong. Interest. Okay, now it's okay. If I run this class again, it should print SBI interest is 8 and ICICI interest is 7. Okay, now it's correct. Now here you can see one base implementation of the rate of interest for the every bank is there. We will just inheriting extend overriding this methods each and every time for the different banks. You can create n number of the banks over here, and you will simply override this method, get rate of interest and return the particular rate of interest for that bank. Okay, and now we will see some popular questions which are asked for method overriding. That is, can we override a static method? The simple answer is no. A static method cannot be overridden. It can be proved by runtime polymorphism. So we can learn it later on our upcoming videos. And why can we not override the static method? It is because the static method is bound with a class, whereas the instant method is bound with an object. Okay, what it means is this which method, static method is always bind with the class, not with the object. Now whenever you run this class, the methods which are declared as a static binds with that class itself, not with the object. Here obj1, obj2. Okay, and static belongs to the class area and instance belongs to the heap area. We'll see what is heap area and stack area in upcoming videos. And can we override the Java main method? No, because the main method is the static method, and we cannot override the methods which are declared as a static. Okay, I hope you got the concept of the method overriding in Java, and thank you for watching this video.